Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to create a product on CirclePlug. This is the product and invoicing landing page, and we're going to click on the product icon. I'll advise we do this together so we can follow along. I'm going to click on the product icon now. Once you've clicked on the product icon, it's going to take you to this products page. You're going to click on the plus icon at the bottom right to create a product. Then it takes us to this page. You can see here that we have the untitled item. I'm going to click on the pen icon to erase what is there, and also to type in our new products. I'm going to paste mine to save time, and then you click on the OK. Then we go ahead. We're going to upload the image of the product we want to add. We have three options. You have the camera, photo gallery, and documents. You can choose the camera option if the product is in front of you, but I'm going to choose the photo gallery to select my product image. Like when you click on that, you can see the preview to check if the product suits what you want. This is how it looks when you preview. And then if it suits you, click on the done to upload the image. It's uploading. And then we click on the save to fully upload the image. And just like that, our image is uploaded and the name has also been uploaded. Then we scroll down. Let's do it together. Then we have what we call the product, the description. You now see where you say add product description. Click on the pen icon. Though it's optional, but I'm going to click have a product description. So I'm writing my description. And click on the OK to save description. Then we move on to the next feature. We have the quantity available. We're going to add quantity. Click on the add quantity. Then you see the quantity currently available. This is your inventory. How many do you have? So you can I'm going to put in the inventory I have for this demo. Let's put 12. Then click on save. After that, we move on to the category. Add products to a category. You click on that. As you can see here, we have some pre-existing categories. If it doesn't suit what you want, you click on the plus icon at the bottom right to add your new category. Then enter category name. I'm going to write my own category name. And then you add category after typing what your category name is. When that is done, you click on the back button. And then you can see the new category has been added, limited edition. Then you click on that. And just like that, the category has been selected. Then we move on to the cost price. It is optional, but I'm going to add my cost price for this demo. Let's put 20,000. And then the next one, selling price, very important. This is the price you want to sell to your customers. Let's put 25,000. And as I'm typing the selling price, you can see here that we see percentage of cost price. This tells you the percentage of the cost price that you're selling to your customers. Then I click on the save. And so after you've inputted your cost price and selling price, you can now activate your products. There are other options you can explore, more product, but for this demo, I'll only be adding the cost price, selling price, category, quantity, and then I click my activate products. And just like that, you've created a product on CirclePlug. Thank you for listening. Bye.